A very good morning. Myself, Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So, today we are going to discuss about the topic called Generalized Measurement System, which is available in Metrology measurements. Okay. So, in our last video, we have discussed about what is metrology, what is measurements, and then what are the standards people are following for the measurement, and then what are the types of metrology. Those things we have covered. Okay, in this video we are going to see about, I'm telling, I already said about general measurement systems. Like in general measurement systems, people are industries are having these six kind of measurement elements. Actually, primary sensing element, variable sensing element, variable manipulation element, data processing element, data transmission element, data presentation element. Okay, those things are people are having. Okay, industries people are having. Okay, in the generalized measurement system, while you choose the measurement part, you have to choose this those kind of process. Okay, like initially, you should choose the what kind of physical quantity going to measure, like in maybe any pressure or temperature, what may be. Okay, and then initially and then you should choose the what is the primary sensing element, which means it's going to be touch the physical variable. Like if you want to measure the any current, then current by using ammeter, though you will be having those kind of knob which is connect over conducting part. Okay, and then variable conversion element. So the variable conversion element is used for to convert the data to the our known value, to the our known value. Okay, and then the signal is again converted to our manipulation signal. Okay, so the signal is converted to our manipulated level by using any kind of mechanical part. Okay, and then that in manipulation element, we can convert this data, convert the data by using any kind of mechanical part. For the ammeter, people are using any kind of the for the conversion purpose people use it. For the manipulation, you should know the data of the like ammeter values 1 2 3 4 5. Likewise, the ampere value should choose. Okay, so this kind of data we can add it. Okay, and then the amplified signal should to convert to any transmission element for the any kind of process. Okay, it may be any output purpose. So what do you need, you can convert it. Okay, and then data processing element for the known purpose, observer, for the observer purpose. Okay, the data processing element, data presentation element, observer, these are the people how they can be used. Okay, so for that purpose we can convert it easily. This is what the generalized measurement system. In generalized measurement system, we have a five kind of process, like physical quantity to be measured, like what kind of process we have to variables we have to measure. Okay, like in the pressure, temperature, primary sensing element. For the measurement of current, people are using the ammeter, copper wire. Okay, and then variable conversion element, which is the in ammeter, in ammeter will be having a magnet. The magnet will get the EMF. By using the EMF, we'll get the movement, rotary movement in our ammeter box. So here you can see. So in variable manipulation element, you can choose the value for the our usable purpose. Okay, so the data transmission, data presentation, data processing elements are using to define the value for the user purpose. Okay, user purpose. So like you can see our generalized measurement system for the any kind of process, people are using this kind of process. Okay, so I already said about given the definition for the every elements. Okay, so like primary sensing element, variable conversion element, variable manipulation element, like data processing element, data transmission element, data presentation element. Okay, so and then you can see the like how we can measure, like if you want to measure the temperature of the water, how to give the temperature bulb, further measuring the temperature, it should be submerged in the our tank. Okay, and then we have capillary tube for know for the rise of the water, for the fall of the water. For using, we can convert this value for the manipulation part, and then we'll be having some linkages, the gear linkages. By using the gear linkages, we can know the we can use the pointers for the for touch the scale, and then we can easily know the pressurization, I mean know the value of the temperature value easily. Okay, so here I will be having our our sensing element is the temperature bulb for measure for touch the water to know about the temperature value, and then our conversion element is the our pressure, and then our transmission element is our capillary tube. Our our conversion element is our current is our single line. The single line is joined with our linkage gears, and the linkage gears will be joined with our knob, and the knob is pointer is joined with our scale. Okay, so by using those data, those process, we can know that how we can measure the values in easily. Okay, so so far this is enough actually. So this is a very important thing. uh, so generalized measurement system, we have to follow those process. Okay, for any kind of process, if you want to measure the current by using the ammeter, if you want to measure the temperature by using some kind of sensors, so we have to follow those process. By using that, we can get the easy using that we can get the measured accuracy value for the output purpose. Okay, so these are some important things about measurement element system. Remaining things we can see in our next video. Thank you.
Right, thanks.